Hi, my chef. Today it's my girlfriend's birthday and I want to make her something really beautiful, tasty, and pretty at the same time too. It's not just for birthday, but on Valentine's Day for you guys. If you do this to surprise your girlfriend or wife, she'll love it. So it doesn't involve cooking. There's no cooking involved. It's my super easy dipped strawberry. So to do this, it's super easy. All you need are strawberries, white chocolate. You can use dark, but I like white because you can put food coloring in there and change it to any color you want. Food coloring, coconut oil to mix it with the chocolate so it's smoother, and parchment paper. So you ready? So you want to wash the strawberries. Always wash it. There's a lot of pesticide and who knows what else is on it. You want to dry it. You have to make sure it's completely dry. Otherwise, the chocolate will not stick to it. Now for the chocolate, to melt it, it's super easy. All you need to do is stick it in a microwave, depending on how much chocolate you use. We can start off with 1 minute first. Take a look at it, stir it. If it's not melted enough, you can stick it in for another 2 minutes in a microwave. Okay, so I would say about 75% has melted. We want to put it back in there for 30 more seconds and it should be good. You don't want to over cook it, so over microwave it, otherwise it will burn and it will turn hard. Okay, so it's all melted. I want to add in a little bit of coconut oil, just a little bit, so it makes the chocolate a lot smoother. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. So you want it in this consistency. Look how runny and smooth it is. And I'm gonna add some food coloring. You can buy these at any grocery store or supermarket. I am going to do purple today. So if you add 1 or 2 drops, it's pretty light. If you add more, it becomes more intense. So I'm gonna add a little bit of pink and light purple to give it this beautiful darker color. I made this for my nieces and it was a hit. They totally love it. Okay. So this part is pretty easy. You want to hold on to the green part. Just dip it in like that. You want to let this chocolate drip back in there because it's a lot. You want it nice and thin. So now you just place it here like that and let it cool off. So now I am going to melt more white chocolate and use it to put a little bit of design on it. So chocolate should be warm. If it's too hot, it might do a little bit of damage to the strawberry, so you want to test it out. If it burns your finger, let it cool off a little bit. Nope, that is perfect. So it was 1.5 minutes. Dip more strawberries. I'm gonna use the leftover white chocolate to put a little bit of design. The leftover chocolate, I am going to put it in a bag, a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna squeeze it out. So on the tip here, you want to cut a little tiny hole, really, really small, because we're going to do a little bit of squiggly line on the strawberry. My white strawberry is not designed yet, so with the leftover white, I'm going to take it out, mix it with a microwave it for a little bit more, and mix it with a little bit of the pink food color, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. So I remelted the chocolate and mixed in a little bit of the purple coloring. The trick to put it in without making a mess is fold it like this, inside out a little bit. Unfold it. You want to take all the air out, put it in a Ziploc bag, and cut a little tiny hole there, and we're going to start squeezing again. Okay, so look at this, all done. Whatever color you want, green, blue, pink, purple. I know this is not my traditional Chinese cooking, but this is something fun that I want to share with you, and I hope you like it. Give it a try and make it beautiful and sweet. I'll see you next time. Bye!